Hello again, and welcome back to our course on the history of humankind. In the last episode, I gave a brief introduction to myself. As a refresher, my name is Michael DeVogue, and our course will start today with a discussion of the proposed first human ancestor from about 7 million years ago. Most of the information for our course will come from the Smithsonian Institution's Timelines of History. Long before we were the species known as Homo sapiens, our line was a bunch of tree-dwelling apes in East Africa. It is fuzzy as to when the genus, known as Homo, which all of us today belong to, would have split from the genus Pan, which we associate with chimpanzees. Speciation from Pan to Homo was a long, drawn-out process with periods of hybridization, intermixing, between the two groups. Still today, humans' DNA sequence, DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is 95% similar to chimps. There were two hominid species from the late Miocene epoch. Let me spell them out for you. A bit difficult to spell. Sahelanthropus and Ororin. And they lived during the predicted time of divergence. They were bipedal, but it is unclear whether they can be considered our first human ancestors. Human evolution doesn't really start to pick up until the emergence of this guy, Australopithecus afarensis. Australopithecus afarensis, and that was about 4.1 to 2 million years ago. The most famous, whom you may recognize, is Lucy, who was discovered in Kenya in 1974, and who was named after the Beatles song Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds. Australopithecus afarensis was small, ape-like, and still lived partially in trees. She had brains about the size of modern chimpanzees, but she is special because she may have started using stone tools about 3.4 million years ago. This is due to evidence we have found of bones with cut marks from Ethiopia. For now, we'll say that the earliest stone tools date from about 2.6 million years ago. We have found actual stone tools from Africa dating to this period. It is with Homo habilis, whose name means handyman, that we become very skilled in stone tool usage. At 1.8 million years ago, we see the emergence of Homo ergaster. Homo ergaster from 1.8 million years ago. And it's at this point that our ancestors start to really look more familiar. Homo ergaster is tall, slender, with not much body hair. His brain had enlarged due to a steady diet of protein, because it made it much easier to get to the protein the meat off of the bones of scavenged animals with this new stone tool technology. And Homo ergaster had also become fully adapted to walking and running. In the next episode, I will discuss our earliest hominid ancestors to venture out of Africa, which scientists believe happened about 1.7 million years ago. Okay. So for now, this is our course. This is the start of our course with human and chimpanzee divergence. I look forward to seeing you in the next episode.